What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm here with the 2024 Nissan Z Heritage Edition. Have you seen a car like this before? No, you haven't. Actually, you might have. So this one's going to be paying homage to the 1969, shout out to Race Car 21, Datsun 240Z. So let's take a look around and see what this Heritage Edition is going to look like. This front bumper, does that look familiar? A lot of y'all was clowning the Nissan Z for that front bumper, but now we fixed it to pay homage to the 240 from back in 1969. So you see the bar coming across the middle of it. That's going to be different. It's going to be painted in the new color called Sight Orange. Again, it's not the exact match for the OG colorway, but it's a close enough match to it. You're going to see the decals on the hood. We got the S30 on there with the black decal, and that's the font for the S30 is going to be in gray. I'm going to have new black wheels. This is going to be on top of the performance package. So if you've seen the review that I did on the blue one that I had, the blue on blue, go check out that video if you haven't. It was a little bit different. So this is going to be on top of the performance package. Got the red Brembos, unique wheels to the Heritage Edition. Got the decals, the Z on the side, the decal for their silver Z. Going to have this new badge up here, or a throwback badge that's going to say, and guess what? Heritage Edition. This orange is so great. We got a stripe over the top. Hello. And I'm here for the Woodward Dream Cruise. So Dream Cruise is going to happen this Friday, Saturday. Main day is Saturday, but people will be here all week. And huge shout out to Nissan for inviting me here. We got this katana blade coming down the side. Looking good on there. Love these Nissan Zs. I really like the rear of it. We got the black accents, the stripe coming all the way back. Got a dual stripe. And then the rear diffuser looks a little bit different from what I remember. You got some ground effects too with the diffuser. That's going to be unique to the Heritage Edition. Coming around to the side skirts as well. That's going to look a little bit more unique on this Heritage Edition. This is going to be powered by the 3-liter turbo, 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. So the powertrain is going to be the same. But let's take a look on the inside where not much has changed. Just notice this decal or the stripe on the bottom of the side mirror. Coming on the interior where we got the most plush carpet that you have ever seen in any car south of a Rolls Royce. This Z is very soft. But the interior is looking quite the same. It's a little baked. I thought I would see a little bit of orange stitching or something. But we got the suede, leather. Not a whole lot different. And then we have my favorite transmission, the automatic. Yay. So let me start it up right quick. A little bit on the quiet side. Let's give it a rev real quick. That's the stock exhaust right there. And I still think out of all the sports cars, this has the greatest infotainment system with the cluster and the infotainment screen over here. Very vibrant, colorful, easy to read. So this is going to be the 2024 Z, 55 years later from the OG, the 240Z. And the price for one of these is going to cost you a cool $59,135, and that's before destination. Huge shout out to Nissan for inviting me to my first event here at the Dream Cruise. Thank you all for that very much. That's all I got to say about that. Y'all remember to drive safe out there, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.